To a story that many have been watching from across the country. The latest in the Sean Combs sex trafficking case in Lower Manhattan. The jury could get the case as soon as today.
But there is a lot to get to before that. Defense attorneys are set to deliver their closing arguments.
All right, so here's how that works. Then the judge actually issues the instructions to the jury. ABC's Katersky with now more on a very busy day in federal court.
Pedro, Tanya, Sam, good morning from federal court, where defense attorneys are set to deliver their closing argument to the jury. One of the jurors had a bit of a transit issue, so court got started a bit late. Sean Combs came into court waving at members of his family seated in the row right behind him. He made a gesture of thumbs up, a little heart with his hands, and blew kisses. He appears relaxed, but he also appears a bit fidgety. He's been bowing and making a praying motion with his hands. He's been nodding and sort of dancing a bit in his seat. This is the last chance defense attorneys have to convince the jury there are doubts about his guilt and expect them to harp on all the times that Cassie Ventura and Jane, as she's known by the pseudonym, were consenting partners in his sexual lifestyle. Because where federal prosecutors say Jane and Cassie were coerced over a period of 2 decades, defense attorneys say they were willing, even enthusiastic, about the kinds of sexual encounters Sean Combs wanted them to have. The defense is also going to say that Combs did not lead a criminal enterprise, that his business was distinct from his personal activities, and expect the defense to say that the prosecution is just trying to criminalize what would be an unusual sexual lifestyle. The defense attorneys are expected to go 3 to 4 hours. Prosecutors will have a chance to rebut for a short while before the judge's instructions and jury deliberations, maybe late today or early on Monday. From federal court, I'm Katersky for Channel 7 Eyewitness News.